Hey guys and girls, Pierre Silva here from PROCRAWLER. Today we reached a new milestone on our road to innovate and support the hobby. After continuously building our team driver squad with super talented drivers, today I'm extremely excited to announce you the very first factory driver of the history of PROCRAWLER. Please welcome the 2019 European Scalar Extreme Champion, 3 times Italian Scalar Extreme Champion, Moab Extreme Challenge Champion, 4 times Lombardy Regional SORRCA Champion, 5 times Piemonte Regional SORRCA Champion, Signore Massimo Bonvini.
Scalar. This passion involved me many years ago, when I was a child. Since then, I have never stopped loving this hobby and competition. The road that led me to PROCRAWLER was the one that has always motivated me in this hobby. Curiosity and desire to experiment, desire to improve, only increase performance. And in PROCRAWLER, in this team, I found the same motivation as me, the same passion. In the next season, I will participate in many championships in my country and also in some international events. I will prepare 2 more PROCRAWLER flatgekko vehicles in addition to the one I already own. It will be an awesome development job. Team PROCRAWLER is a wonderful reality. My flatgekko work like a violino, and I'm sure that this adventure will be like a dolce vita. Ciao da Max Bond.